So Baba, I want to wish you a happy Father's Day because you have been an amazing dad.
All right.
Every day.
Oh.
Every time. So
yes.
This letter is from me. I want to make you happy for this letter.
All right.
So how are you, Daddy?
I'm good.
I hope you are fine. Thank you. I have decided to wish you a happy Father's Day. We have been an amazing dad starting when we were young children until now. We have grown up.
Oh, yes.
And also you have been a caring father. And I want you to know how you have worked hard so much to us as your daughters and son.
Oh my goodness.
And I hope in my future I should be working like you. I want to work hard like you so that I can help my children and other people. And I want to tell people, I want to tell the father out there that they should take care of their children because those children, they are angels. Ni malaika na ni baraka.
Yes.
So fathers out there, take care of your children. They are everything to you.
Amen.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you so much, my daughters. Mko wangapi kumbe?
Wasita.
Mko wasita.
Yeah.
How many girls, how many boys?
5 girls, 1 boy.
And mmesema you are half, you are dating amazing daddy.
You are an amazing dad.
Kiingereza tupu. Mama yenu angependa kutokea labda? Hataki kuonekana ako busy ananyonyesha. Thank you so much my daughters and my son. God bless you too. Na nimeshukuru sana kwa leta. So guys, simu ilikuwa imeisha moto hiyo siku ya Father's Day. That is why I decide kuniandikia kaleta ama kuniambia. Thank you so much, God bless you. And happy Father's Day kwa wanaume wenye wanajituma pale nje kuhakikisha mtoto alali njaa. Hata kama ile kitoko tunapata tunashukuru, au sio? Yeah.